Hi girls! Hi my mother ginger bonbons and my Russian dance. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on your dance. I'm going to be doing it slowly without the music and then fast with the music. I know that this dance is a little quick, but I really feel like you can all do it. I have divided it into the 3 different parts. All it takes is some practice and we're going to get it for sure. Okay, and I already told you the story of the ballet, but I'll repeat it again. We're in the ballet called the Nutcracker, and we are the bonbons or Mother Ginger. So it depends on what version it is, but for this version, I'm going to make you Mother Ginger. So you're like little gingerbread people, and we're going to be doing little steps with your smile. So the character is very cute. It's very clownish actually for this ballet. So I would love to see your smiles in this dance. And I know there is a pirouette. I put up a pirouette tutorial if you remember, and I have tagged you in our group. So if you want to check that out, you can watch the pirouette tutorial from 5th, but I'll be doing it with you also here. So let's get to it. Take a sip of water if you need to, and we'll do it slowly first and then go through it a little quicker. Okay, let's go through the steps one by one, starting with your right leg in front. So we need to start in your crochet, shoulders down, and 7 and 8. So we need to start with the breath. 5, 6, 7, stay. Got it? And let's go up. 1 and 2, 1, échappé. Pas de bras 2 times. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now let's do the left side. Up, chin up, and échappé with the head, 2 pas de bras. And pas de bras. Now we will pas de chat to the left. The left arm comes in front. 1, da 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 da, right? And the left. Good. And right. Now beret forward. 1 forward only. 3 and arms down. 4 changements. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear so far? We step with the front leg. Step tendu. Step tendu. Remember to point your toes. 3, 2, hop. 1, 2. Other side. Step tendu with the chin up. 2, tendu. 3, tendu. Bounce, bounce. Okay. From there, we turn with our front leg. The front leg goes around. We have the left leg in front. We passe with the left and passe with the right. Now, the back leg will step. Step to the left. Right, sorry. 3, 4. Passe with the right. 2. Passe with the left. And 2. So that is the end of your first part. If you feel like you need to repeat it, you can always back through the video. But I'm going to move forward now. Okay? So we ended up with the right leg in front. Now we're going to do the change in music. So it goes step and 2. This head looks over the hand. So da-da-da-dum, da-da-da. Da-da-da-dum, da-da-da. 4 times. Piqué with the right, plié. The right leg goes up for your pirouette. Plié. Now spot to the front. Da-da-da-dum, and close. And 8. We're going to repeat again to the right. Da-da-da-dum, dum, da-dun, da-da. Remember to point your toes. Dun, da-dun. Da-da-da-dum, plié. Turn to the right. And close. And 8. Okay, just 1 turn. Now we say hi to the right side. 3 and 4. Hi to the left side. And 8. Arabesque to the left first. You plié, relevé. Now we go to the right. Da, 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 da. Close front. Relevé, 2 coupés, the right foot first. 1, 2, you walk around towards your left, towards your right, tatan. Okay, so that is the end of your part. 2. You can relax a bit. And 8. It's very important as you're practicing, we don't become lazy. So sometimes when you know your steps, you start to look like you're showing your arms and your legs, or when you do this, it starts to go over. Be very mindful of how you use your arms and your head, as you always want to look nice in this dance. Okay, so let's continue to the last part of your dance. And I know this part is very fast, but I'll make sure to break it down for you. First step here is the balance forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you remember, passe goes 1, passe goes 2, and passe goes up 3, passe and 4. Don't forget that during passe, our foot is always by our knee. Sometimes when the steps are quick, our foot goes away. So make sure it's always stuck to your knee up here. Okay? And then we do our ton leve. So ton leve is a step and a jump. So let's try that again. Step and jump, you chasse, and step and jump. So this is 4 times. 5, 6. The last one will close in front. Okay, now we go through the fast one. After the ton leve chasse, it goes 2nd, 5th, changement, changement. Then we passe the left, da-da-da, passe the right. Now we go to the left. 2nd, 5th, changement, changement, passe the right, passe the left. Now we do the last steps. 2, 3, and 4. We bray forward, fast feet, turn twice, 2 times, last pose, and done. So I said last time in our class, I'm going to be changing some of your poses. So if I have changed them, make sure you just do them. Okay, so that is your full dance in slow. So we're going to be doing it fast now with the music. Take a sip of water. You can go back to the parts that you feel like you're confused in, and then we can continue. Got it? Okay, so now we're going to be doing it with the music together. Don't forget to always smile. So it's very important to smile through this dance and to breathe. So we're going to be doing it with the music now. Have your right foot in front and let's get ready. Twice. Turn to the right. Good. Now the right side again. Head up. Spot your head. Good. Now stay to the right. Ready for the fast part? Ballet. Fantastic. 1, 2, 3, and step to the right, and curtsy. Step to the left, and curtsy, and stay. So that was the entire dance for Mother Ginger. I hope you understood that. I know that the last part is quite fast, so you do have to be practicing this every day. You still have a month and a few days to go to practice your dance, and I will see you when we get back. Okay, girls? Take care.